Hi students, I hope that you all are good and fine at your homes. So in today's session we will start new exercise 1.3 of NCERT. Okay, that is first chapter. Okay, now we will start from the very first question. Now I have written the question on the board, as you can see, students, but here what we will do before solving the question, once I would like to tell you that I have already explained these all things in the introduction video of the same chapter, integers. Okay, but still here also I will start from the basic, because so many students are there who might have not gone through that video of introduction of this chapter. So for them no issue is there. I will start this one particular topic is there. Okay, that is multiplication of integers. Okay, multiplication of integer, that is multiplication of one positive and one negative integer, then multiplication of two negative numbers, multiplication of two negative and one positive numbers. Like this one topic is there, so I hope that you will understand it. Okay, now starting from the very first question. Here you know, students, here the given question is this one. Okay, what is the given question? Given question is 3 into minus 1. Now if I ask you that what will be 3 into 1, then instantly you will say, sir, it is 3. Why? Because we have been learning this since our childhood. Okay, now here only one thing is there, that is the what you say, implementation of this minus sign. Here before 3 no sign is there, means plus sign. Okay, now what we will do here, students, one by one we will multiply the number and then again we will multiply the sign one by one. Okay, so first what we will do, first we will multiply the number, or you can say digits. Okay, now here in first question what are the digit? Here 3 is there and here 1 is there. First we will multiply the digit, means what? We will forget the sign of the digit. Okay, as I told you, before 3 no sign is there, means plus sign, and here before 1 minus sign has been specified, माइनस साइन दिखाया गया है. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहले तो साइन को भूल जाएंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल फॉरगेट द साइन and then simply we will multiply as if there is no sign, or you can say only positive signs. Okay, now we know 3 into 1 is nothing but 3. Now coming to sign, now we will recall the sign. अब हम साइन को याद करेंगे. तो साइन को याद करेंगे तो अभी जस्ट मैं बताया तुम्हें कि ये 3 के पहले कोई भी साइन नहीं है, मीन्स प्लस साइन, और 1 के पहले माइनस है. ठीक है, एंड when we are multiplying minus and plus sign, then we are getting, when we are multiplying minus into plus, then we are getting here minus in the result. Okay, so here after multiplying the digit, that is 3 into 1, we will get 3, and then again after multiplying the sign, that is minus into plus, we will get minus in the result. So here we will have minus 3 as our final result. Like this only, students, we will solve, or all the numericals, all the segments will be solved like this only. Okay, now coming to next question, this question number B. Here also one negative integer is there, one positive integer is there. Okay, one by one we will multiply them. So 225 into 1 is there, or 1 into 225 is there, forgetting the sign. So we know that when 1 is multiplied to any number, then that number itself is the result. Okay, so here in the result we will have 225. साइन को भूलने के बाद सिर्फ मैंने डिजिट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद इतना मिलेगा हमें. नाउ रिकॉल द digit sign as we solved this question number 1. Okay, here we are having minus, here we are having plus, so let it be minus into plus or plus into minus. We are getting same in the result, that is minus. So minus into plus will result here minus. So basically we will have minus 225 in result. Okay, now similarly here we are having two numbers, students. Okay, so first, as I told you, here you can observe that both the numbers are having the same sign, that is negative sign. Okay, now first what we will do, first we will forget the sign. Okay, and we will multiply the number. So if you will multiply them, then how much you will get? 21 into 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and then 3 2 ja 6. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6, and then we will place this 0. This is the simple multiplication for getting the sign. Now coming and recalling the sign. अब हम साइन को रिकॉल करेंगे, ठीक है। रिकॉल करने के बाद क्या होगा, यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं माइनस है, यहाँ पे भी माइनस है, यानी माइनस इंटू माइनस. सो इन मैथमेटिक्स व्हेन माइनस साइन इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस साइन, देन इन रिजल्ट वी आर गेटिंग प्लस साइन. Okay, so minus into minus will result plus. Okay, so here you can write plus 630 or simply 630. As I told you, before any number, if no sign is there, means plus sign is hidden there or considered. Okay, so you can simply write here 630. Now similarly here we are having three numbers, okay, with different signs. Two of the numbers are having same sign, that is negative sign, and one number is having plus sign, that is positive sign. So for this what we will do, first we will multiply these two numbers forgetting their sign. And how ये जैसा हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया था ये दो नंबर को, आंसर में क्या मिलेगा? प्लस मिलेगा, ठीक है। उसी तरह से ये दोनों नंबर को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आंसर प्लस होगा, एंड देन अगेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 10. और यू कैन डू as per your wish. You can multiply these two numbers also first, or you can multiply this number and this number first also, or you can multiply all the numbers at a time also, depending on you. And if you will multiply, अगर तुम सारे नंबर को एक साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो क्या होगा? माइनस इंटू माइनस, साइन की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, डिजिट्स का नहीं, ठीक है। डिजिट्स का कैसा है? डिजिट्स आई होप दैट यू हैव बीन लर्निंग सिंस योर चाइल्डहुड अबाउट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई द डिजिट्स और एनी नंबर. ओके, नाउ आई विल टॉक ओनली अबाउट साइन. सिर्फ मैं साइन के बारे में बताऊंगा. साइन कैसा होता है? सी हियर वी आर हैविंग माइनस, हियर अगेन वी आर हैविंग माइनस, एंड देयर वी आर हैविंग प्लस. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, माइनस इंटू माइनस, जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस, एंड देन अगेन प्लस इंटू प्लस, plus. Okay, minus into minus will result plus, and plus into plus will result plus itself. Okay, so if you will multiply these three numbers, whatever you will get result with plus sign. Okay, so I hope that you will multiply it, because I don't want to waste my time in multiplying it, because you know how to multiply the numbers. Just I will tell you the concept of the question, है ना। concept में I hope कि तुम्हें समझ में आ गया. यहाँ पे भी उसी तरह है स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है. तो पहले नंबर तो आप मुझे मालूम है कि मल्टीप्लाई कर लोगे, है ना। कैसा? 9 3 जा 27, 27 6 जा वॉट एवर विल कम. नाउ कमिंग टू द साइन. साइन के बारे में सिर्फ हम बात करेंगे, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो ईजी है, ठीक है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन आप कर सकते हो. नाउ साइन, कमिंग टू साइन. सो हियर प्लस इंटू माइनस. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, प्लस को जब भी माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं मैथमेटिक्स में, देन इट ऑलवेज रिजल्ट्स इन माइनस. Okay, so if you will multiply here the sign plus into minus, it will result here minus, and then again minus into minus, it will result here plus. Means here whatever result will come, that will have the sign plus. ठीक है. Now coming to next question here. Okay, here all the numbers are negative numbers. Okay, so now we will see what will happen. Okay, I hope that you will multiply the number आप मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, ये मैं कंसीडर करके चलता हूँ. अभी मैं बताऊँगा सिर्फ ये कि साइन का क्या होगा, ठीक है। तो माइनस इंटू माइनस वी नो इट विल रिजल्ट अप टू हियर प्लस. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी आर हैविंग प्लस इंटू माइनस. सो इन द रिजल्ट whatever result will come after multiplying these three numbers will have minus sign with it. Okay, now similarly here also students, here these all three numbers are having same sign, minus sign, and then this is plus sign. So here I will talk only about the sign. again. So minus into minus, here we will get plus, and then plus into minus, here we will get minus, and then again here minus into this plus 4. Okay, so minus plus, here we will have minus. So whatever number you will get after multiplying these 4 numbers will have minus sign with it in the final result. Okay, similarly here we are having all 4 numbers with minus signs. Okay, so minus into minus, here it will have plus, then plus into minus, here it will have minus, then minus into minus, in the result you will have finally plus. Okay, so I hope that you understood, students. One more thing I would like to tell you before ending this video, students, that whenever any minus sign multiplied even times, जब हम किसी भी माइनस साइन को इवन टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन इट ऑलवेज रिजल्ट्स इन प्लस. Okay, and whenever any minus sign is repeated or multiplied for odd times, then it always results in negative sign. Okay, you can see here, अगर हम ये तीनों नंबर को सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारा साइन क्या होगा? Since it is odd, okay, so here we will have minus. Why? Because minus minus, here it will have plus, plus minus will give us minus. Okay, now here you can see it is odd number of times this minus sign has came. So if you will multiply it, then in the result you will have plus. शॉर्ट में ये बताना चाहूँगा कि माइनस को हम अगर इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो रिजल्ट में हमेशा प्लस आता है, और अगर माइनस को हम ओड नंबर ऑफ टाइम के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं देन वी आर गेटिंग माइनस इन द रिजल्ट. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन. विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन ऑल ऑफ यू स्टे सेफ, टेक केयर, बाय बाय एवरीवन.